Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was just playing around tonight. Looks a little difficult, but it's not. It's one of the easiest things you could do. Take an ellipse. Doesn't really matter what size. I'd go ahead and fill it in with a color and take away the outline. Then go over and get your extrude tool. And then make sure you start in the center and go straight down, so it'll be equal. Then go up here to the boxes and get the one that's equal pull and push, so it makes it equal. Then we don't want it quite that high, so I'm going to hold down the control button and get that, maybe even go a little further. Now, if we go up to object and break the extrude group apart, we have two different parts. Then take this one. This is where it's kind of fun, and use the interactive fill tool. Put black on both ends and put that turquoise back. You'd probably want this somewhat even. Then go a little bit further out. We don't want too much black. And then get that same turquoise. And you don't have to use the turquoise, but I was going to show you how easy this is. So we got a little bit of a color there, like it's going around. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to move it out of the way, the duplicate, and I'm going to go up to object and group and ungroup it. And we're going to make the top on this one red. I'm going to make it just like the other one. And see, I have this same interactive fill tool, but what I can do now is I don't like that yellow. I'm going to go with green. Yellow just looks dirty. Control G to group, holding down the shift key so it'll grow from the inside, and then just put it on top. And because it's the last thing you created, it'll be on top. Control D again. I would just soon get it out of the way. Go up to object group and ungroup. And let's make the top, you know what, let's don't use black. Let's use purple. And let's use, well, we use green up there, so let's just use orange. Well, no, you don't change that to orange. You change it here. You change it in your interactive fill tool. That's not going to look very good. Yeah, it looks bad. Doesn't look too bad. Then group it together. I hit Control D, so I'm going to delete it. Group it together, Control G. Then holding down the shift key, and the shift key will make it grow from the center. And then just put it on top of that. And you could actually go, I hit E. If you hit, go back, Doug, hit C, it'll put it all in the center on top of each other. I don't know that you would ever draw that, but it makes life easy when you can copy the exact same thing. And I wouldn't do the orange again because it blends in too much with the red. So real quickly, I didn't like the yellow, because the yellow to me always looks dirty at the going around the turn. You know, like this kind of fades in. But anyway, give it a shot. Just having fun. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.